Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the trajectory feature in OpenScanTools. Crime scene investigation companies use this type of accessory to determine bullet trajectories. It consists of a rod and two spheres. By detecting the center of these spheres, a straight line representing the trajectory can be determined. I don't have this kind of accessory, so I'm going to use target spheres in this project. Please note that the feature also works with points and tags. First of all, I'm going to detect the spheres. Let's go to the Model tab and select Simple Sphere. Now I'm going to click on the first sphere, and as you can see, a sphere has been created as well as a tag at its center, but we don't need the tag. Let's do the same for the second sphere. And now I'm going to the Measure tab and select Trajectory. And now I just have to click on the two spheres. And you can see that a pipe has been created. By default, its diameter is 1 centimeter, but you can force the diameter, for example, 5 centimeters. And now you can extrude your pipe. So if you remember, it's this icon here or the shortcut E on your keyboard. So now I can extrude my pipe and determine my trajectory. The feature also works with points. So here I'm just going to click 2 points in my point cloud, or 2 tags. And that's all for today. I hope you find this function useful. Goodbye.